Right, in this video we're going to eliminate the parameter of a parametric equation to write it in its Cartesian form. So it says find the Cartesian equation of the curve defined by the parametric equations x is equal to 4t minus 3 and y is equal to 1 plus t squared. So this method, there's several different methods that you need to try to employ, but the easiest thing to do, if you can, is to make t the subject of one of the parametric equations and then substitute into the other equation. Then simplify. So you've got x is 4t minus 3 and y is equal to 1 plus t squared. So making t the subject of this one, we get x plus 3 is equal to 4t, then t will be equal to x plus 3 over 4. And then we substitute into this one here, y is equal to 1 plus t squared. We get y is equal to 1 plus x plus 3 over 4 all squared, which is 1 plus x squared plus 6x plus 9 over the square of 4, which is 16. So we've squared x plus 3 and squared the 4. Now making a common denominator, we're going to get that y is 16 plus x squared plus 6x plus 9 over 16. 9 plus 16 is 25, so we're going to get y is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 25 over 16. So these parametric equations represent a quadratic. Okay, this has been a video to show how to eliminate a parameter of a parametric equation and then turn the two equations into Cartesian equations. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.